Okay, we're ready to prime finally. Got everything actually taped off now. Went over the car. All the metal has been like sanded where surface rust started to form. I just need to go over it with the, there's like some solution that you spray on it to decrease it. And once that is done, I'm going to start priming everything. So, wish me luck. I probably should videotape like a time lapse of doing this, but I'll have the GoPro home. Is what it is. I do have another camera. I got my phone in my hand. I could probably use that. No tripod for it though. It's what it is. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. Taped up. All right. Got everything primed. There is tiger striping on the hood and the roof. I'm not really like worried about that. I actually just did this pretty wet, and I'm gonna block it down anyways. But everything else looks okay. It came out all right. There was a couple of bugs I had to deal with, but it is what it is. Primed the cladding, basically everything on the car. The skirts, bumper. I got an AMG rub bumper that I primed as well. But yeah, this is where I am on this. Tomorrow I'm probably gonna come back and block everything, and probably at night again. Take it down to 600 and hopefully paint it over the weekend once I get actually tomorrow is the weekend. I don't know, I'll paint in a couple days. But thanks, like, subscribe, and have a great day. Also comment, tell me how awesome this is.